on a nationwide 5G network for just $45 a month with no contract ever. Simple Mobile. Out the old and with the simple.
Can you guys sneeze with your eyes?
So guys, so basically we saw one of these videos, but now we're gonna watch another one. So get ready. 1, 2, 3. Hit
Eyes open. I'm gonna test it out for myself. I don't know if I can.
So let's get started. Let's watch.
And so let's frickin' do it. First off, I have to get the sneeze thingy, the thing that makes you sneeze. Just 1 second. I'll be right back. Oh God! Oh! Ow! Ow!
What thing?
I fell.
Seriously.
I'm okay.
What is it?
Anyways, I got the sneeze device, which is just a cotton swab, but it's for sneezing. So let's frickin' try it, dude. All right. So what the myth is, if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyes will pop out of your sockets. Like it'll just go. Boom, and just like it'll be out of your eyes. I don't know if it's real. Let's just test, dude. Okay, so I'm sorry if my eyes pop out. It might be a little gross. I'm kidding. I don't think it will. But let's just test it. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to sneeze. Hopefully I can. I literally like a couple seconds before starting the video, I sneezed, and I was like, dang it, dude. I wish I could have sneezed while making the freaking video. But anyways, let's go for it.
Oh, he's gonna do it.
Huh. God, oh, that tickles. Oh, God, that feels weird.
You're not breathing, idiot.
Oh, I thought I was about to. Hold on.
You idiot!
Achoo! I did it. I can't frickin' sneeze, dude. I can't. Maybe if I try 3. Here we go. I got 3. Let's just frickin' do it. Ow. Ow, that felt weird. Okay, I don't like this. You know what? No, I'm not doing it. I can't sneeze. If I sneeze during this video, I will get it on camera, and I will try to sneeze with my eyes open. Let me know if you guys can do it the next time you sneeze. Try to keep your eyes open. I don't know. Just see what happens. I don't think your eyes will pop out, so don't worry. But today, we're going to be looking at some people who can sneeze with their eyes open. Also, some weird sneezes and just funny stuff like that. Are you guys subscribed to the channel? Make sure to do that. Subscribe with those notifications on road to 8 mil. If we can get to 8 mil by the end of the year, I am probably will do the biggest massive giveaway of all time. So subscribe with those notifications on. You know what to do. Anyways, let's get right into the video. I look like an idiot.
12-year-old Caitlin Thornley started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to
No
stop.
way.
Just listen to her.
That's real.
12,000 times a day. Sometimes a 7th grader can't complete a sentence.
Some kid
Are
ends
you
up
kidding?
making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets.
No way, dude. Oh my God. That's not real, dude. There's no way. She's literally like, sometimes the kids make fun of me. It's really sad. I just have a hard time. Jesus. I really hope that's not real. I don't know. I think it is real. I actually think that's a real thing. Like, that was on TV. I'm pretty sure. Wow. 12,000? I sneeze like maybe once or twice a day. Maybe. 12,000. 12,000. Can we get 12,000 likes on this video for her? Wow, I'm using the sneeze girl for likes. That's what we've come to. It's kind of funny. I don't know if that's mean to laugh at that, but it's kind of funny, okay? Anyways, let's continue. This next girl apparently can sneeze with her eyes open. That's what the video is called, so let's watch it. Oh, she's doing the... Is that a toothpick? Oh, God. Oh. You freaking closed your eyes, dude. Are you kidding? Editor, can you play that in slow-mo, please? Oh my gosh, she didn't close one of her eyes. She literally just went, like she like squint. Oh wow, she did it. Well, kinda. She did it halfway. I'll give you like 2 claps for that. There you go, Tina. Kind of impressive. I feel like I could do it. I really do. I feel like I might be able to do it. I just can't freaking sneeze right now. But good job, Tina. I'm proud of you. Kinda. Let's go on to the next one. Apparently this guy can do it too. So let's check it out. I want to see someone do this and sneeze and see what happens. Like, will your eyes pop out? I don't know. Let's check it out.
No.
Oh. Dude, he did it! Bro, he literally did it. Look at that. He frickin' did it, bro. His eyes were open that whole time. I don't know if that was a real sneeze, though. That's the thing. You could fake a sneeze. Like, watch. I'll fake a sneeze right now. Was that good? You could probably tell that was fake, but that sounded like a real sneeze. I'm not gonna lie. That did sound real, so I think we have a winner. Round of applause to Tony. Good frickin' job. I don't know his real name, but he looks like a Tony. Pretty cool, dude. His eyes didn't pop out, so what the heck is that myth, huh? Is that a straight lie? What the heck? I kind of wanted to see his eyes pop out. Okay, not really. That's gross, but you know what? Let's try to find a dog who sneezes weird or something. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Dogs have the weirdest sneeze ever. It's just a fact, guys. Now you know that Pomeranians are the weirdest sneezers ever. So that's cool. I actually have a Pomeranian of my own. It's actually my parents' dog, but I do have a Pomeranian. He's frickin' cute. Look at him. Isn't he frickin' cute, dude? Look, oh, he's so cute. Guys, that picture's on my Instagram. I have an Instagram, and I post pretty dope pictures. I'm not gonna lie. So go follow me at @infinite_lists. Okay, thanks. On to the next sneezer. He freaking did it, dude! People are so good at this. How are they doing this? I want to do it. I'm thoroughly impressed. I couldn't really tell it. Play that back in slow-mo. Replay. Boom. Oh, yeah, it looks like he did it. It really does. Good freaking job, dude. I don't know how these people are doing it.
Nope,
I think these are all real, too. So, the myth has been freaking busted. We are the Mythbusters channel. No, we're not. On to the next sneezer. I sneeze without closing my eyes. Okay, okay. Oh! Betty! You freaking legend! Her laugh. Can we just play that one more time? What is that noise?
That's not real!
What is that noise? Okay, I'm gonna stop now. What is that noise, dude? Betty, good job. You freaking did it. 3 claps for you. It was great because I didn't even have to put it in slow-mo. She did it herself, dude. Good job, Betty. Actually, you get 4 claps. That was 4, right? On to the next.
That was right.
Sneezer. Oh, we got little Johnny. Oh! Oh, and little Bobby on the background. Okay, frickin' put your tongue back in your mouth. Good job, little Johnny. You frickin' did it, I think. Or it could have been fake. I don't know. I couldn't tell with that one. Let's just do a slow-mo replay. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Good job, Johnny. 4 claps for you. Let's give him 5 because there we go. 5 claps for Johnny. Are you guys clapping at home? Make sure to give him 5 claps, guys. Come on. Okay, on to the next sneezer. This one is apparently the weirdest sneeze in the world. This little kid. So here, let's freaking do it.
I have the weirdest sneeze ever.
Do ya? Let's see it.
Achoo. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
Oh no!
He said it.
Oh, he frickin' got me, dude.
Like
Jimmy,
in the
you
video
kidding?
now.
You absolute troll prankster, dude. You frickin' got me. Let's play that in slow-mo. Was it weird? Was it weird?
Achoo.
That wasn't that weird, okay? I can do that. Achoo. Easy. Okay, on to the frickin' next one, dude. I'm done with little Jimmy pranking me, alright? I did like and subscribe and share the video, though, so I got you, Jimmy.
And also,
Oh! Oh! God. No. Nope. I'm getting my scar out on you. Frickin' don't, dude. Oh god, that was disgusting. You snot rocketer, dude. You frickin' literally like 5 inches of snot. Just gross. I'm so sorry you had to see that. And for the finale, we have the loudest sneeze. Apparently, that's what the title of this video was called. So let's just check out the loudest sneeze ever.
or maybe that hair just made a little hole and then it pooped out.
Apparently this little kid can do it. Alright, let's frickin' see it. Oh! Oh! Stop it! Oh! Oh! Ow! Thanks for that, Timmy. It hurt my ears, man. And you made me fall on my chair, so good job. Oh, God, that was terrible. That kind of wasn't a sneeze. You just yelled. Timmy, go to your room. I'm sorry, but you do know that that was just a scream and not a sneeze, so I'm not gonna give you any claps, Timmy. Nice try. Now I'm just upset.
Oh my god.
Well, anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm sorry I didn't sneeze in this video. Maybe I'll make a part 2 if this video can get 20,000 likes. So drop a fat like on this video if you guys did.
Oh, let's watch this one, guys. Well, she can't. She can't pull all her eyes.
Can you guys sneeze with your eyes open? Apparently it's supposed to be impossible. Apparently if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyes will shoot out of their sockets? What the heck? Is that true? That's absolutely disgusting. I hope not. Bear it back. This might leave a like if you need a haircut. Okay, so we got mixed herbs. Let's just try it.
Hit like
Oh, that's so good. I really want to try to sneeze with my eyes open, so come on. Oh, it's not working. I'm gonna get some spicy food.
What is that? Is that Cheetos? Wait. Yo, I love them!
I got hot Cheetos. Let's just sniff this and see if it makes me sneeze. Oh, that's actually working. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh, that's not good. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm actually gonna sneeze. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze with my eyes open. Did I do it? Did I do it? Did I actually do it? Okay.
Wait, let's replay. Slow. Let's do slow motion. Okay. Nope, let's do it to the most slowest motion. But okay.
Did I do it?
Oh, he actually did it!
Did I do it? Did I actually do it? Okay. Oh, I think I blinked. Dang it, dude. Oh, this has been an interesting start to a video. Oh, guys, I think it's possible. I don't know if I did it. Editor, slow it down and like zoom into my eyes and just see if I blinked or not. I don't know. I think I might have, but I don't know. Is this the one I put up my nose? Oh, no. Oh, well. That's absolutely disgusting. Okay, let's get into it. By the way, guys, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks.
Stop walking.
Okay, we got this girl. Oh. Can she? Okay, she's about to sneeze. She's doing the sneeze face. Did she actually do it? Wait, did she actually do? Hold on. I think she did it. Yo, we got some talent up in here.
What's your move?
Oh, she like went and then her eye. Oh, dude, she's me. She sneezes 12 times a day. I'm just kidding, guys. 12 times a day, that wouldn't be bad. That's like normal. She sneezes 12,000 times a day. Yeah, you heard that right. 12,000. Are you freaking kidding me? Let's watch.
12-year-old Caitlin Thornley started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to stop.
Just in that sentence, she sneezed about, like, what, 15 times? I sneezed only 3 times. Luckily, because I don't want to be like this girl. I sneezed 3 times, right? And it took up a lot of time. This girl sneezes 12,000 times a day. Holy.
Listen to her.
How can she talk?
The schoolgirl who lives outside
breathe?
Houston sneezes 12,000 times a day.
Is that
Sometimes the 7th grader can't complete a sentence.
Is that a sneeze? What is that? Like my sneezes, I just yell like, ah! You know? But she's like, doo, doo, doo.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets.
I'm so sorry. Oh, you can't do that to me, dude. Come on. I'm not making fun of her or anything. Oh god, I still have freaking spicy stuff in my nostrils. I feel it. It's giving me a headache. But come on, dude, that's so funny. Oh my god.
Only time the sneezing seems to slow down is when Caitlin listens to music. Specifically, the Beatles.
Very interesting. So the Beatles makes her not sneeze? I did not know that was a thing. Guys, if you're just sneezing constantly, just listen to the Beatles. Boom, life hack.
Oh, they figure it out. Caitlin can't go to school.
No way, dude. Well, I mean, I understand that because you're like taking a test and then like freaking Susan in the back's just going like it's a little bit distracting. I totally understand. So I feel so bad. This like little girl, this 12-year-old girl can't go to school because she sneezes too much. I've never heard of this. All right, this girl's gonna try to sneeze with her eyes open. Let's see it. Oh, don't tease us like that.